Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you an interesting feature that is very helpful for the large scale business. Okay, so imagine that when you guys are creating any kind of quotation, most business automatically display product prices, discounts, subtotals, and totals to the customer. Like from the quotation dashboard itself, I can show you one of the quotation that I've already created, like a normal one. You can see for this product I'm showing the whole details like the prices, the taxes, and the whole price by adding those two things. So I'm just giving the whole detail about this quotation to my customer, which is Acme Corporation. Some situation, like however in certain situations where showing prices immediately may not be the best approach for some businesses, like we can say construction companies, consulting firms, engineering contractors, and some service providers are often to prefer that to discuss project scope first and deliverables before revealing the prices information or the pricing information to the customer. Because in certain business like this, the customers are actually not going to okay with the proposal or the documents that you guys are sending to them once they are so the price at the first time, like for a particular service, we are actually going to provide an amount. So must be a discourage for the customer to purchase this kind of product or purchase these kind of services from our company. Okay, so to get a sales pitch or to get the sales as a boosting thing in the construction companies or consulting companies or firms, they are using this feature, which is hiding or showing the prices at the initial stage. Like we can do these two things. So they are hiding the prices from the initial stage as the proposal document. Then after the customer needs to move with the quotation, they can simply provide the whole details like the price, that the section and everything to them as well. So in this video, I'm going to show you that. For that kind of purpose, I'm just going to click on the new button to create a new quotation. Using a real case example, we can say I'm just running up a construction company and one of my customer needs the construction of an office. Okay. So for that kind of purpose, I just want to provide an initial proposal document to him. So that's why I just want to provide the customer, which is Abigail Peterson. Okay, let it be Abigail Peterson. So I'm going to give a quotation about the furniture, the office furniture that I'm going to give him, and as well as the services that I'm offering. So I'm going to create them. So before providing the product, how we are usually going to give a quotation, giving the product and everything. But here comes the twist, because here in construction companies, they are mostly using these kind of options like adding a session, adding a note and catalog while they need to create any kind of professional quotation. Okay, so here in this case as well, I'm going to use add a session. Under that, they will have a hidden feature to hide the prices. Okay, so first of all, I'm adding what kind of description that I want to provide the furniture at the first session. So I'm going to add that one, furniture. Once I'm done with there, I can add the product under that. Okay, so let me add the product which are I need. So let me add the corner desk at the left side, overhead shelves with overhead shelves, and I'm going to confirm this one, adding another product as well. So let me add this one, like customized cabinet metric. So we don't have enough quantity, so let me delete. Okay, no problem if I don't have enough quantity, because I'm just going to show you that feature. So let me add this one, acoustic block screen. Let me confirm this. So I just added two kind of product, okay, which is amount of $85 and $320. So this product, it doesn't have enough quantity, no problem. Moving on to the product side. For that variant, we don't have enough quantity. Okay, no problem. Delete once more, adding that product again. Within the black, let me confirm it. Now we have that product again. Now let's move on to the next session. I'm just going to add the services that I want to provide to my customer. adding the session as service. Once I'm done with it, let me add the product. So first of all, I'm adding the flooring service. Okay, flooring service. Adding another product, which is wiring as well. So after adding these two projects, sorry, not project, these two services, and they we have the total amount. Okay. So how I can simply print or send this quotation to the customer, like I show you by printing this one. So if I just printed this one, okay, I show you that they we have the downloaded one. If I'm moving on to that, now you can see the whole details like the total amount, taxes, and everything. Okay, now comes the best part. Moving on to this one, and for each of the session, now you can see this three dot. Okay, clicking on this option, now you will get a drop down menu that is added with different kind of configured options or features. Like you can add a line, you can add a subsections, you can hide the prices, you can hide the composition, set optional one, add a note, move down and duplicate it. Okay. So here comes the best part. Like if I want to hide the prices, I just hide the prices for these two products, but it only show the section wise things and its total. Okay. If I want to do the same thing inside my services, I can also hide the prices. Now, if I want to print this one, let me show you what will happen. Moving on to the quotation, and the quotation looks like this. They we have the product, but we didn't even provided what thing, like the price of the each product. I can show like this, or else I can show another way, like moving on to the hide section. I mean, sorry, the three dots, hide compositions. So after hiding the compositions, I can hide what are the product and the services that I want to give. Okay, just providing the session based total and what is the session. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to save this manually. Let's print this. Let me show you that printout as well. Now you can see for under this quotation, you can only find how much quantity, the unit price, the taxes, and you can see the total amount. But what are the product that is listed down is not there. Okay. So that's how simply you can use this option very easily. So they will have more such kind of things under that, like you can add a note, like providing the same thing, moving that anything from there to down. Like if I just click the furniture, I mean comes under the service and the service comes on the top. Okay. And if I just move on to this option and I want to add any kind of subsessions, I can also do that, like adding the subsession for this main session. And there we have a lot more configured option or the features that we can simply set up a normal quotation into a professional one. So here in this case, I just only showed you how to hide the prices and how to show the compositions or hiding the composition very easily. So I hope you understood this video. So in this way, I can simply confirm and send this quotation to my customer if I'm just running up any kind of construction company, consulting company, or something like that. So that's all about this video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with another kind of hidden features that is in sales module, accounting module, or the core modules of Odoo 90. So till the next video, bye-bye.